just not home style cooking. You just can't get these flavors at home. Hi guys, I'm Shivani Trehan and welcome to my channel Social Cravings. Now, as most of you already know that I'm currently following a gluten-free, dairy-free and sugar-free diet, and I'm covering restaurants in and around Delhi that serve such dishes. And if you are someone who has lived in Delhi long enough, you've probably walked into this restaurant. Kailan is the brainchild of Mr. Saurabh Khanejo. This oriental lounge and restaurant has made its place in many hearts, serving the most authentic oriental cuisine. And they've been doing this for the last 15 years. Now, they call themselves as an oriental restaurant because they serve Chinese, Thai, Japanese dishes. So from teppanyaki counters to dim sum carts to sushi platters to all-time favorites and some of your all-time comfort dishes, they have it all. And now they even have healthy options which are gluten-free and vegan meals, and that is exactly what we are here for. So I am currently at the Vasant Kunj Ambience Mall Kailan Experience, which has actually recently been completely revamped, and they have also launched their new Ivy, the Island Bar on the terrace, which you should definitely check out. So before we get into the food, let me quickly give you a glimpse of both the spaces. Also, just two very quick disclaimers. Firstly, we are going to request the chef to do only tasting portions of the dishes, so you may not get the actual presentation of the food because we do not like to waste food. Secondly, I am doing this diet for a medical reason called endometriosis, and I'm mentioning this because we are looking to spread awareness about endometriosis. And I have done a completely separate video talking about what endometriosis is, so if you like, you can watch that on my channel. Now we are going to try the vegan sushi roll, which is made with black rice covered with avocado, with some asparagus, carrots, some pickled radish and roasted garlic. Sushi lovers, you're going to absolutely love it. Now I'm going to have the sushi with salmon. Let me tell you one thing, I never used to really like sushi. I used to find the taste a little bitter or something I never used to like about it. So over the last few years and after, having it couple of times, I've really developed the taste for sushi and I love it. I absolutely love it. And all sushi lovers would be able to relate to that feeling. And I think the mistake that I used to make was that I used to add a little too much of the wasabi, and that is what used to make it really pungent. So I think you take care of that, you will really enjoy having sushi. So guys, now we are having the pork choy dim sum roll, the chicken dim sum roll, and I love it because again the wrapping has been done with pork choy and they have a nice dipping sauce with it. Let's try it. I really like the dipping sauce. I think it's got like some coconut flavor in it, and I'm just gonna have actually a spoon of just the sauce. It's like a yellow Thai curry sauce, so I love it, and I love Thai food. Okay guys, now we're going to try the Farmers Market edamame quinoa salad, which obviously has some edamame and quinoa, but apart from that it has some rocket leaves, some pomegranate and some avocado. And the dressing on top is a tamari soya dressing, which is gluten-free soya sauce. So what I love about this is that the pomegranate gives a very nice flavor, and so does the soy dressing actually. First, I'm gonna try the Korean chicken. The chicken is so well cooked. It's really delicious. This is like my 6th, 7th piece, by the way. I mean, you can't make it on camera, but yeah. Korean chicken is on the spicier side. It can take a lot of chili and a lot of spice, so it's totally up to you. And if I'm saying it's spicy, it's definitely spicy. So guys, now I'm trying the vegetable lettuce wrap. It comes with the lettuce leaf platter. If you're a messy eater, I would not recommend you go for this. Now I'm going to have the vegetable, smoked vegetable platter. So there's some broccoli, some mushrooms, baby corn. I really need to know what dressing are they putting, because it's really delicious. Like, we've never got such flavors at home. Picked up a red chili also. So the vegetables have been cooked so well that the juices of the vegetables have come out so nicely, and that is exactly why, you know, it's tasting so flavorsome. Now I'm waiting for the main course dishes, where we are going to try some of their wellness bowl meals. So I'm going to be trying 3 of their bowls. Trying the fish gluten-free rice bowl, which has some turmeric in it. It has sole fish, and it has some coconut milk, and it is served with gluten-free red rice. And I love this curry. It is so flavorsome. I've asked some of this yellow curry, like more on this side. I just want to pour the black rice with the yellow curry. It is so flavorsome, so flavorsome. I'm going to try the superfood Buddha bowl, which basically has some quinoa, some tofu, some avocado, some shimji, which is a type of mushroom, some spinach, some corn, lots of vegetables, very healthy option. And yeah, and it is served with some gluten-free tamari sauce. Guys, now I'm going to be trying their keto bowl. Now, any of you on this keto diet can definitely come here and go for this meal. This basically has a free-range chicken thigh steak, which is on a bed of Chinese cabbage, zucchini, and some bok choy. Oh my god, if this is what you get on a keto diet, I'm definitely going on this diet as well. Any requirement that you have specific to your diet, again, the chefs are very well aware that people are these days following such diets. So they're very well versed, you know, with the ingredients and everything. So you can call on the chef and discuss it with him and see what, you know, how they can customize your meal. In fact, in their menu, they have something called a power poke bowl. So in this, you can choose your type of grain, which can be black rice or sticky rice, your choice of sauce, which can be, you know, your gluten-free tamari sauce or soya wasabi, your vegetable bowl, so you can choose your vegetables, or you can choose your meat, and you can have something as healthy as tuna or salmon. And yeah, now I've tried everything, and I'm going to end off my meal here with some more of that black rice. And I've, like I said, I have asked for the extra yellow coconut curry. So yeah, so I'm just going to do that. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and wait for my next food video to come out. Until then, lots of love.